Now, KapKView First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Briana Solo.
We have a lot going on from the weather department over the next several days, so let's break up our forecast into three parts. There's today, cold once again. Today will feel a lot like yesterday. We've got sunshine once that sun comes out during the 7 o'clock hour, and all morning long that sun will stick around before we see clouds increase and above freezing temperatures by the afternoon hours. Then the weekend forecast. Wet and windy conditions are moving in. There are 2 days this weekend. One will be wetter than the other. We'll get to that in a moment. We also want to remember that this will all change as winter continues. We're getting closer to springtime. Feeling like spring next week. 50s and sunshine return for the first time this year starting on Monday. So back to that cold part of the forecast. This morning our temperatures are still below freezing. Overnight we saw wind chills, and now even this morning in the teens. So make sure you bundle up. Kids, make sure out at the bus stop you have hats and gloves as well. A mix of sun and clouds, mostly sun during the morning hours. 40s with clouds increasing today. A few of those clouds may make rain east of the mountains, but better chance by Sunday we see really heavy rain moving in. All right, these are the two low pressure systems I'm tracking right now that have been building and churning over the Pacific. I'm calling this one the little brother, and then this one is the big sister coming behind because the little brother is weaker, and we're seeing rain mainly confined west of the mountains with the help of geography, the elevation of the mountains, the path of the storm that went straight up the coastline, and the jet stream is currently high enough to push anything out of the way, push it to the north, so you'll see snow falling in the mountains of Spokane County. We're seeing pretty relatively dry conditions over the Blues for your Friday. Now, Tri-Cities, Walla Walla, Yakima, you start to see increasing winds for Saturday. We see increasing rain chances as early as 10 o'clock, and that's all because that second low pressure system, the big sister in the situation, strong enough. The jet stream also pushes out of the way to allow this associated cold front with the big sister to bring rain and snow chances right across the region. Now, temperatures are actually going to stay warm in the lower elevations. We'll be in the upper 40s Sunday, 50s by Monday. You'll notice though in the mountains, the Blues, northeastern Oregon, southeastern Washington, will see snow falling Sunday night, creating a messy commute Monday morning. Otherwise, those winds ranging from 25 to 45 miles per hour. It is going to be windy, wet by the finish to the weekend, and then sunshine returns next week. 41 degrees today in Yakima, a high of 42 degrees in the Tri-Cities, 48 degrees in Walla Walla. And again, we get warmer each day, but Saturday and Sunday, prepare for windy, rainy conditions, steady rain on Sunday. We'll see that sunshine moving in next week. Yakima, very